Hi, everyone. Can you all hear me clearly? Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining me on the second day of your September holidays. All right. There's some more people coming in. I'm trying to mark attendance. Hang on. Shafi. Hi. Okay. Now, there are few names that I have omitted, but I'm not able to mark your attendance. I'm going to read through the attendance. Okay, let me check. Okay, there is someone with Perlin just now. May I know who logged in with Perlin just now? Who was the one who logged in with Perlin? No one? Okay, never mind. I'll just call out the names. Okay, y'all help me with this. Just a minute. Okay, Libra not here, right? If you're here, please type into the chat. So Libra is not here. Morgan is here. Shafi is here. Let me just mark Shafi. Oh no. Okay, I got locked out. Hang on. Just a minute. It's always technology. My attendance list disappeared. It's okay. Okay, so I'm trying to squeeze everyone into one screen. Hang on. Okay, so Libra, you're not here. If you're here, please type into the chat. So Morgan is here. Shafi, let me mark you as present now. Okay, welcome. And then Adele, you're here. It's C3's here. C3, if you're here, type into the chat. Jera, I've marked your attendance. Elena, you're here. Avi, you're here. Is that Irena? Okay, hang on. So I should have 15 people. Let me check my attendance list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm short of 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I read off the absentees' names, but if you are present, please type into the chat your name. Okay, Liba, are you here? Series Jeff, are you here? Irena, are you here? Darius, are you here? Jerome, are you here? Toby, are you here? All right, all those names that I just mentioned, if you are here, please type into the chat. Right, because I marked 13 present, but I have 15. Okay, Darius and Irana here. Thank you very much. Okay, Darius, just a minute, and Irana. Okay, looking for, yes. Okay, found Irana's name. All right. So for those of you who are here for the first lesson with Miss Ivy, a warm welcome to all of you who's joining me for the first time. All right, if you're joining me for the second time, welcome back. All right, Adele, welcome back. Okay, all right. If I pronounce your name wrongly, let me know. So Elena, if I pronounce your name wrongly, so I have today on my new list. Okay, Shafi is here. Okay, so I have Morgan here, Shafi here, Adele here, Jera here, and Elena here. All right, these are the trial lesson students. Okay, so if I pronounce your name wrongly, please let me know. All right. So again, my lesson is very simple. My name is Miss Ivy. All right, and feel free to use the chat and tell me if you need to go toilet. Just type I need to go toilet. Don't need to ask for permission. Just type I'm going toilet, then just go. Then when you're back, just type into the chat I'm back. That's all. So if you need to get a glass of water, just say I'm getting water. That's all. Don't need to ask me for permission. Now, if I'm going too fast or if I'm going too slow, please type into the chat. Okay. So without further ado, let's check. Let's pull out the slides. I'm going to share the slides. We're going to play, hopefully we have time to play the games later. I prepared the game. All right. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we're doing mock paper. So for the new, I've gone through the rules. So for the students who are new to my lesson, all right, so remember to use a chat. Now, do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. Okay, there's no stupid answer in my class. All right, I appreciate all answers. So even if you give me the wrong answer, I'm still very happy because at least I know who are those who have misconceptions. Then I can help to correct your misconceptions. So no need to feel shameful. No need to feel sorry for giving me wrong answer. All right. So you will only be sorry if you don't even give me an answer. So if you're not sure, you just write IDK or I don't know, not sure. All right. Just respond in the chat. That will be much, much appreciated so that we can move faster. Okay, this is the ongoing promotion. So do share 88 tuition with your family and friends. They get 25% off and you also get 25% off if they subscribe. All right, let's start. So the diagram below shows a narrow road. At which position, right? A, B, C, or D, should a mirror be placed so that the driver 1 can see the driver 2? All right, so first of all, let me pull out the Excel file. I must thank, hang on, okay, let me close this Excel file. Yes, I must thank, these are the student responses who have submitted their answer. Thank you very much for submitting your answer. Bella, Darius, Jera, Elena, Sanvi, Avi, and Zoe. So I only have 8 of you who submitted your answers. All right, so those of you who have not submitted your answer, that is very difficult for me to know what your answer is. So it would be much appreciated if you can submit your answer before the tutorial. Okay, try and submit one day before the tutorial if you can. All right, so those of you who submitted your answer, most of you get this right, except for 2 of you who got this wrong. All right, so now you want the driver 1 to see. Okay, so driver in car 1 want to see car 2. So this is the I. All right, so everybody type into the chat, should light enter this I or should light go away from the I? Okay, no worries, Zenda. Thank you for explaining it to me. All right, so can everybody type into the chat for, let's say Miss Ivy is here. Miss Ivy is sitting in car 1. All right, so Miss Ivy is sitting here. How do I see car 2? So light should go inside car 1 or light should go into car 2? Can everybody type in the chat, should light go into car 1 or should light go into car 2? Because there's also another I here, right? There's a driver I here and a driver I here. All right. So should light go into car 1 or should light go into car 2? Okay, well done. Now the driver in car 1 wants to see. All right. So car 1 driver needs to see. So it should be like that. The light should go into the eyes here this way. So light should enter the eyes here. All right, so it means Ivy is sitting in car 1. The light should go inside my eye so that I can see. All right, so it should be like this. Okay, and then this will be the light ray. Okay, so the answer is mirror C. Okay, so what is happening is you have let's say a lamp post here. So this is the lamp post. Okay, I can't really draw lamp post very well. Never mind, you imagine. All right, this is a lamp post. So the light will shine onto the car. Right, so light from the lamp post will shine into the car. Okay, so this is a lamp post. All right, because there's no sunlight at night, right? I'm assuming this is at night lah. Okay, so at night there's lamp post that lights up the roads. So the light from the lamp post, all right, will shine onto the car. This car will reflect the light to the mirror. So this is mirror C. All right, so the light from the car, all right, so this car will reflect the light to the mirror. And this mirror will reflect the light into my eyes so that I can see. So light must go into the eyes. So please remember, light going into the eyes. It will be very funny if you say light coming out from your eyes. You know which superhero does that or not? Have you seen Superman? If I'm not wrong, Superman is the one with the special eyes. His eyes can give out red light. All right, so Superman's eyes are very special. He's a superhero. He's not human. All right, so Superman, the eyes of Superman can give out red light. So we all are not Superman. So please don't tell me we all give out light. So instead, it should be light coming into our eyes. So right now, the light is entering Miss Ivy's eyes. That's how I can see everybody's faces here. All right, is everybody clear? All right, so light is coming inside my eyes for me to see things, okay? So this is how the light ray will be, okay? Look at my laser pointer. So the light from the lamppost shines onto the car, and then this car will reflect the light to the mirror. right? And then the mirror will reflect the light into my eye. So I'm sitting here so that the car 1 driver can see car 2. All right. So the image of the car will be actually inside the mirror. All right. So this is C. Any questions so far? Okay, then we move on. Most of you get this correct. Okay. So here is amount, a data logger is like a computer. Think of this as like a computer. So this data logger machine used to measure the amount of light that passes through 3 different materials. So we have material H, I, and J. All right. So here says amount of light. Okay. So you can see that L, all right, a lot of light pass through. Here I will write most light passes through. Okay, so I use the word most light passes through material J. Right, passes through J. Okay, because it's the highest. This is the highest, right? Okay, highest reading. All right. So in that case, you will know that material J, right, is, would you think that it's transparent, translucent, or opaque? Everybody type in the chat. Material J, should it be transparent, translucent, or opaque? All right, good job, Darius. The rest, material J should be transparent, translucent, or opaque. Good job, Siri. Good job, Bella. Good job, Irena. Okay, let me all right, so it allows most light to pass through. Now, one of you got the misconception, Zoe. Take note, Zoe, if it's opaque, opaque material does not allow any light to pass through it. So opaque, no light passes through it, no light for opaque. Okay, no worries, all right, you learn after today. So therefore, J is transparent. All right, so it allows most light to pass through it. So the word transparent, I highlight in yellow. The meaning of transparent means most light can pass through it. All right, so J is transparent. So once you know J is transparent, right? So I look for transparent material here, all right? Because most light can pass through it. Okay, so let me write on top as well. Most light passes through it. Okay, so that means it is transparent material. So if you know it's transparent, then clear glass, clear means transparent. All right, so the rest are all wrong already. Okay, but we will check it out. Another one is H. Look at H. Okay, so this is J. Now let me look at H. I use different color. Now material J, this is the lowest amount of light. Okay, the least light. So here material H is least light. Opposite word of most is least. All right, so least light passes through material H. Therefore, can everybody type into the chat? What do I say? What kind of material is H? Very little light passes through it. All right, almost zero. Very little light passes through it. It will be opaque. Okay, well done, Zoe, Siri. All right, opaque. Almost zero. Okay, so here it will be blank is opaque. So this is opaque. Okay. All right, so the only answer is therefore A. All right, actually, if I would say this question would even be better if this line is even lower, because opaque, right, the amount of light that passes through it actually is almost zero. So I would prefer this line to be even lower, okay, for material H. All right, but never mind, this is the best option already. Right, now material I is writing paper. Writing paper, right, you can try, take a piece of paper, then you shine a torchlight through it. You will realize that some light can pass through it a little bit if the paper is very thin. Right, if it's a very, very thin piece of foolscap paper, all right, if you hold a piece of foolscap paper and you look up on your bedroom lights, you can actually see a little bit of the light from your bedroom lights. Okay, so use a foolscap paper, leave out and look at the bright light on top. You can actually see part of the light. So writing paper is a little bit translucent. All right, So let me write here for you is